Hey, so this is episode 1 of the Designs First Media blog, and I just want to share some of my thoughts and some of the exciting changes in our organization, and also help out maybe someone out there that's thinking about starting their own business, updating their business model, growing their business, whatever we can do to help. And we hope that this can inspire you to make a change. So first episode, just wanted to talk about how I started the agency and why I started it. It was a little over 6 years ago now. It will be 7 years in October. So time just really flies. And I remember working in the corporate world, in my cubicle, in front of 2 computer screens, getting ready to code, and while I was doing that, I had some, side web projects that I was doing to just help people out and just really do what I enjoyed doing. And that's when one of my clients at that time needed more work. It's like, hey David, can you help me out here? During that time, I was doing my 9 to 5 and then my 6 to midnight shift, working at on the side for the company. And then you can really only do that for so much, and it just gets really exhausting. And after a while, I just realized that do I really want to stay in this corporate world, climb the corporate ladder, and will I really make that big of a difference, in this world by doing what I'm doing at that time? So then that's when I took the leap. At that time, I had one client, a huge pay cut, lost all my benefits, and it was out of my own. But as scary as that was at that time, not worrying about, like, there was no really backup option other than, okay, well, I do have my degree, I can always go back to school. But other than that, there was really no option too. So it was nice, not having to worry about that and just moving forward. And I wouldn't go back doing that again. Just having looked back, and it's been a really, really great, thus far, 6, almost 7 years. So what I would encourage anyone that's thinking about starting their own business, and they're unsure, maybe they've been thinking about it for months, years even, don't hesitate. Don't wait. What is there to wait for, right? No regrets, right? So hope this video has inspired you to start your own business. So thanks. Bye.